Are you splashing?
It's jump.
It's jump. Are you splashing and jumping? You're such a good jumper. Wow. All wet. The chair is all wet. Yeah, that's from birds. Don't play with the lights, please. Can you splash in the water? There's no water there. Where's the water?
Right there.
We'll go splash in that water then. Oh no! You are splashing. You're doing a good job. Now you're splashing me. Be careful. You're going to fall. What did I just tell you? You okay? Good girl for shaking it off. That's good. No, you are all wet. It's because you fell down. You shouldn't run when it's wet. And now you're going to throw the pillow in it. That's awesome. Thank you. Now you have 2 pillows. That's great. Oh, you're going to go night-night with them? You're very industrious right now. Okay. Okay.
Not so bad. This good. Let's move it. People, oh.
Ready to go inside?
No.
Okay. Why would we want to leave out here? It's so nice and wet.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Thanks for looking at me reproachfully like I can't believe you're not helping me with the pillows. What are you looking at? All right, let's go inside.